Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. Hope that all of you are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this moment, I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so now I am going to our paddy field because I will work there in our paddy field, and this is the big field like all around side agricultural like crops, paddy and mustard. And as we can see, our behind side, this is the small footpath, and I am walking on the footpath. And dear friends, you can see I am carrying the hoe on my shoulder, and it's called spade or hoe, and it's very helpful for agricultural work. Okay, so that is why I am carrying the hoe and on my shoulder, and I will work by this spade. Okay, so nowadays I can't make any English blog video or English practicing video, and today I on video I am making, because when I work in our paddy field, so that time I was very tired. Okay, so that is why I can't make any video. Okay, so actually I feel like very happy because when I work in our paddy field, because I am a farmer, because my father also farmer, so that is why I am also farmer. So that is why every single day I work agricultural work in our paddy field and another kind of crops. Okay, so and also I am crazy learner in English, and every single day I make a video, and every moment and any situation I think in English, because I am a learner English. Okay, so actually yesterday I was watered in our paddy field, and today I can see all water actually I can't see. And I also today I will water in our paddy field, and as you can see, this is the pipe, and I will watering actually this pipe by this pipe, and this is our paddy field. And as you can see, 2 biga already I actually 2 biga we have transplanted, and on biga actually I will actually transplant, so rice transplant. And so that is why today I have come here, and thank you, bye bye.